Hi, this is Barbie Wong, and I'm going to show you how to share a video using Google Drive. Now, before you do these steps, you will need to first record your video and then put your video on the device that you will be using. For instance, I'm using my computer, and I have already recorded my video and put that video on my computer. All right, step one is to log in to your Google account. So you can go to google.com and you can sign in, and you can use your Google username, and then you can use your password. And once you've logged in, you should be able to see this is your account. If you don't have a Google account, you can simply go to accounts.google.com, and that will bring you to a place where you can create a Google account. The next step is to go to Google Drive. So once you have an account and you have signed into it, then you can simply come up here to the 9 dots, click on that, and you can go to Drive and click the Drive icon. Or you can simply type in drive.google.com and press return. And once you're in the Drive, you'll see the word Drive over here to the left, and go to New. Click on New. And under that, you will click on File Upload. That will bring up this dialog box. And in this dialog box, you essentially get to access your computer. So this is the video that I want to upload, called sample video. Whatever video it is, you click on that you want to upload, and then you come down here and click Open. Then you will see this little box telling you that it is uploading this one item. And so when it is done uploading, then you will be able to access your video. In order to find the video you just uploaded, you can type in the name of the video in the search box above, or click Recent. So the first thing to do when you have this video uploaded is just to make sure that it works. In order to do that, you double click on it. And sometimes, if you double click on it right after you upload it, you cannot access it, and that's okay. It says that they're processing the video still. So you just need to wait a few more minutes and then come back. And so we'll wait a few more minutes. Go ahead and click on your video again, double click, and it should bring up your video, and you can see this actually plays. And you can go ahead and watch your entire video, or just go ahead and skim through it, making sure there's all these different parts that work. Now you have fully uploaded your video. The next part is to share your video. So keep this screen, do not click out of it, and go to the upper right hand corner over here to these 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots and go down to Share. Click on Share. That will bring up this screen. And with this screen, what you're more concerned about is this bottom part where it says Get Link. You come down to the Change to Anyone with the Link. Click on that. Make sure that it is on this link with anyone with a link, because there's also the restricted option. If you restrict it, nobody will be able to access your video, and you want people to access your video. So make sure it's on this, and over here you want to make sure it's only on viewer. You don't want someone to be able to edit your video or comment. A viewer will be able to download your video, and that's what you would like. The next thing you want to do is copy the link. Click on Copy Link, and you can press Done. Next, go to your email, and you can type in whoever you're sending this to, subject, and a nice little note. And now you can either use Command V or on a Mac, or Control V on a PC, or come up here to Edit and simply go to Paste. And that is the link that goes straight to your video that you just uploaded. And that's it. Congratulations! You have now successfully shared your video via Google Drive.